We know Meta's apps and services are popular. I bet you've used several of them yourself. In fact, I know that it's a good bet because over 3 billion people around the world use Meta products to connect and share with each other. But now, let's look at these products through a marketing lens. By the end of this video, you'll know how to distinguish between the different advertising opportunities that exist among the Meta apps and services. If you've used any of the Meta products, I'm sure you've come across ads. Ads are part of the experience in Facebook, Instagram, and Messenger. For businesses, these ads are great opportunities for growth, and aside from Facebook, Instagram, and Messenger, Meta also offers a product called Audience Network, which offers businesses yet another way to connect to their users. Let's take a look at how each of these products can help a business. Facebook is the most widely used of the different Meta apps and services. Businesses and people use Facebook to make meaningful connections and share. Just like people, businesses can create a free page to establish their company's presence and start interacting. Facebook offers businesses different ways to grow, some paid and some free. For example, businesses can share posts or stories, message with customers, promote events, sell products, accept appointment bookings, or post jobs. They can also promote content through paid advertisements in feed posts, stories, and messages. People come to Instagram to be inspired and discover things they care about, including content from brands and businesses. With Instagram, businesses can grow their brand for free by sharing photos and videos and exchanging direct messages with people. Plus, they can extend their brand's reach and awareness with paid advertising. Instagram is a visual platform to explore and interact with people looking to connect with businesses. Businesses can interact with people through messages and comments on Facebook, Instagram, and Messenger. Messenger lets businesses instantly connect with people on their Facebook page or the Messenger app and make conversations happen in real time. Businesses can use Messenger to make suggestions, assist with sales, and offer support in one continuous conversation. They can also create ads with an integration that lets people click to Messenger to start conversations with potential customers or create sponsored messages to connect with people. While businesses can advertise to people on Facebook, Instagram, and Messenger, there is one more way in which businesses can use Meta to grow, and that is through the Audience Network. While people spend a lot of their time on Meta's platforms, they are also spending time in other apps. Audience Network is a collection of apps and websites that Meta partners with to allow advertisers to extend their Facebook and Instagram advertisements across the internet. We will learn how to advertise on Meta's platforms later, but for now, it's good to know that you can advertise on Facebook, Instagram, and Messenger, but also on a collection of apps and websites that are not owned by Meta. This allows advertisers to reach a wider network of people and placements. Businesses can deliver the same ad they create for their Facebook campaign through the Audience Network, and it'll automatically adapt to fit the app or website where it appears. For businesses who want to grow and connect to their audience, these Meta apps and services are very powerful. The tools you can use to access these platforms as a business are all connected, making it possible to create content on one platform and deliver it across the other apps. For example, you can create one advertising campaign that will deliver ads to Facebook, Instagram, Messenger, and the Audience Network. You learn in this program how to do that in Meta's Ads Manager. You now have a better understanding of the different products Meta offers and the apps and services businesses can use to grow. Now it's time to look at the main social platforms in a bit more detail. We'll start with Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp, and then we'll cover other platforms outside the Meta family.